Redmi Note 8 is now receiving the Android 10 based MIUI 12 stable update in India. The new update brings a redesigned interface, new animation, and a host of new features. It also brings along the date October 2020 Android security patch. The latest Redmi Note 8 update is rolling out over the air, and the size of the update is leased to be 2GB. Users have taken to Twitter to confirm that the Android 10 based MIUI 12 stable ROM update is rolling out on their Redmi Note 8 units in India. The latest update comes with build number MIUI 12.0.1.0 QCOINXM. Screenshot suggests that the size of the update is 2GB. It is recommended to install the update under a good Wi-Fi connection, and users will have to free up space before beginning the installation process. Also ensure that your battery is sufficiently charged or that your phone is on charging before beginning to download and install the update.